Fala galera, aqui é o Night, você está no canal Opinigão e... Bom, hoje eu vou ver um vídeo que diz How Portuguese Sound to Non-Portuguese Speakers. Ou seja, como os... Como é que é? Como português são os portugueses, são os brasileiros, né? Soam para os não falantes de português. Vamos dar uma olhada, vamos ver qual é.
I'm the last one.
No, you're the first.
You're so wrong. What?
They're making me double check if I said the right thing.
I don't think I did that wrong. Okay.
This is all your fault. Totally wrong.
Hello!
Yeah. As an Italian speaker, it's harder to understand compared to other European languages like Spanish, French, and I actually have a Portuguese housemate, and I always joke with her saying that it sounds Russian to me.
Sounds
I agree
Russian.
for all of the above besides the Russian part, but I can
Fala que o brasileiro que mora com ela fala... Parece o russo.
get why.
Yeah, right.
I get why you say that, yeah.
I'm from Spain and it's the closest to Portugal. I'm not very familiar with Portuguese. I'm closer to the Portuguese from Brazil because I have more friends from there than from
Mais próxima do Brasil de português, porque ela tem mais amigos de cá, né?
Portugal.
We win.
Portuguese from Portugal, sometimes for us Brazilians is a little bit harder to understand. So we gotta pay attention and focus when they're talking. If there's anything going on around, we'll probably not understand. But in general, yes, it's easy to have conversations. There's always like some funny situations where there's a word or two we have no idea the other one said, so we have to keep searching. We're like, what is that? This is the only thing, but pronunciation-wise, we can understand most of it. It's the same language, so there's no problem with grammar. It's okay. I think for them, it must be easier to understand us.
I feel like Portuguese people from Portugal, they understand all types of Portuguese, and also within Portugal there's a few dialects. As we mentioned before,
Portuguese from Portugal is kind of strange to hear. It's kind weird.
I mean, we're pretty exposed to all types of Portuguese, so that's probably why. I've heard it said many times that Portuguese sounds like Russian.
Really?
Yeah, drunk.
I don't think Portuguese sounds like Russian. Mano, como assim português soa como russo, velho? Os russos... Não, esse é alemão, né?
Russian trying to speak Spanish or something.
That's very accurate.
I mean, I can get it. Like the pronunciation definitely is kind of similar, but for me it's weird because I speak it's my mother language, so I can't really see it.
And for me, it's kind of strange. Usually people tell me like I sound like a mix of Italian with weird French and Spanish all mixed together, but I never heard anybody telling me like, oh, you sound like a Russian. I was kind of shocked when you guys said like,
Maybe it's a European
Me too. You sound like a Russian.
thing because we're closer.
maybe.
Rules. Yeah, regras. Português speak suggested word. Português fala português sugerida. From left to right, everyone try to answer the word correctly. Will they succeed? Ok, eles vão falar português da esquerda para a direita e vamos ver se eles conseguem responder corretamente. Vamos ver.
Oh, wow, I can't hear anything.
Can you hear me? If you hear me, say hi.
Can hear me?
Also, I'm the last
Eles não conseguem ouvir um ao outro? Isso.
one.
No, you're the first.
That way?
Okay.
Okay. Oh my god.
Otorrinolaringologista. Nossa, porra, o nego pega umas palavras difíceis pros gringos, porra. Caraca.
Otorrinolaringologista.
I know what it is because similar to Spanish.
Really?
But say the pronunciation again.
Otorrinolaringologista.
Otorringo. Otorringo. Eu tô rindo aqui, mano. Eu tô rindo que essa parada aí. Eu tô rindo.
Otorrinolaringologista.
Otorrinolaringologista.
Mano, os caras estão fazendo telefone sem fio, viado. Isso daí nem em português funciona, cara. Caralho, irmão. Nem em português funciona essa porra. Os caras estão fazendo telefone sem fio.
Yeah, something like that. I don't remember. It's very bad idea.
Even Portuguese does not work.
Me being first.
Otoringo, laringa, logista.
Not bad, not bad.
Otoringo, laringa, logista.
Maybe. I guess.
Okay, we go for it.
Otoringo. Otorrinolaringologista. Otoringo.
That is not the doctor.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Otoringo, laringa, logista.
Otoringo, laringa, logista.
Laringa, mano. Sharinga.
Just try, I don't know.
Okay. Otoringo, laringa, logista.
Otoringo.
Okay. Otoringo, laringa,
Já tá rindo.
logista.
Okay, I already know what it is. Otorrinolaryngologista.
Okay, it was not that bad.
Correct.
Okay, I know. Because it's such a specific word. I don't think we have anything similar to that, right? For example, I don't know in Portugal, but in Brazil, we don't call the whole thing for the doctor. It's a type of doctor. So we only call like otorrino.
Oh, in Spanish it's same.
Otorino, same in Italian.
Yeah. In Spanish we call otorrinolaringologo. So it's very similar.
I think we shorten it. We just call it otorino. So just the first part.
Usually
the
we
first
shorten
part,
it
yeah.
to ORL,
Like-
which are the initials of each words in the specialty.
What does it mean?
Is the ELT doctor? Nose, ears, and... Yay! Good job, everybody. Good job, good job.
Let's go. I'm so curious. Cair no poço não posso.
Daí é trava-língua, né? Cair no poço, não posso. Quero ver se vocês vão saber diferenciar a pronúncia assim do poço e poço.
Cair no poço não
Oh
posso.
wow, no. Okay, no.
Cair no poço não posso.
Que in un poço non posso. Okay. Que in un poço que posso.
Não posso, que posso.
Sure. Yeah.
Que não posso, que posso.
Quero no poço. Quero no poço. Quero poço.
Something like that.
Quero no poço. Quero poço.
Queren no posso,
Quero poço.
queri posso. Queren no
God.
posso, queri posso.
I guess.
Okay.
They're making me double check if I said the right thing.
Queri no posso, queri posso.
What?
Queri no posso, queri posso. I guess.
I have no idea.
I think that's what I said.
Of course you have no idea.
What's your final answer?
Wait,
Is
is it
everything alterated?
a sentence?
It's a sentence.
I have no clue. Kitty nosso, kitty posso doesn't sound like anything. It doesn't sound like literally anything.
I think it's my fault.
My final answer is kitty nosso, kitty posso.
It's wrong. Totally wrong.
Cair
Cair num poço não posso.
I don't think I did that wrong. Okay.
Quer ir? Não posso, não posso.
She still doesn't understand it.
What is the difference?
No, don't turn this against me. This is all your fault.
Fala de novo.
Cair num poço não posso.
Ah, okay. Nossa. It's like a question and answer, right?
Not really a question. It's just like falling in a puddle. I can't.
Ah, cair. Ah, I got it totally wrong again.
I think we put one word that was not.
Cara, ele que é fluente em português, não entendi. Pensei que fosse ela que fosse fluente em português.
There,
Yeah, right.
but then it sounds similar.
I feel relieved now.
Not too different.
I think this time the accent played a big part.
Yeah.
Because like when he said in Portuguese, I was like, huh? What do you mean?
But now that I hear like the translation, I can hear similarities to Spanish.
How do you say that in Spanish?
Si caes en un pozo,
No puedo.
no puedo. No puedo.
You're welcome.
Puedo.
I think if you
No puedo. Yo no puedo. Yo no puedo jugar con los peruanos en el Dota porque les falta habilidad.
translate it, I could understand.
Next. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Enxaguante. Okay. Seriously.
What? Ah, isso é simples, mano. É easy. Easy.
Enxaguante.
Enxaguante.
Guante.
Enxaguante.
Enxaguante.
Não, ele não é fluente em português, não.
Okay, it's short, but pronunciation is important. Enxaguante. Enxaguante.
Enxaguante. Sounds like
Enxaguante. Enxaguante.
accent from Naples. This is short.
Ninguém fala enxaguante. Só o pessoal do sul. Enxaguante. Enxaguante.
Pronunciation is important.
This is not part of this.
Enxaguante.
Enxaguante.
Yeah, I guess keep it low, like enxaguante.
I just mumble.
Like Russian, keep it Russian.
I don't know
Keep it
about that.
Russian.
Enxaguante.
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 It sounds French.
Even when I say it, I feel like it sounds French. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay, I'll give you two versions. The one is what I heard exactly, which is enxaguante, and then I'll make it more Portuguese sounding. Enxaguante.
That's not more Portuguese. The first one was more Portuguese.
No.
Enxaguante.
Correct.
The first one sounded really Portuguese.
No way. The second one means
Because of the final t in the end, enxaguante. Oh,
Enxaguante.
y'all did a good job this time.
I was surprised.
Fica meio que enxaguante. Enxaguante. It's just like enxaguante. Enxaguante.
Dude, you guys did a really good job.
To wash off something, but in Brazil it would say it's like enxaguante bucal. Like if you're brushing your teeth and you're like
Like a washer.
Okay.
It's not something specific. You can use it for many different types of contexts.
In
Wash what?
Spanish is enjuagar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's because we're not saying the verb. We're saying like the noun. Yeah, the noun would be that.
Oh. So,
Ah, isso daí não, cara. Não, cara. Por quê, cara? Não. Pô, cara, não. De novo, cara.
sabia, sabia. I have to keep it, like, cause I can't remember this. This is a long one, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Sabia, sabia.
Aha, okay. Sabia subiar, sabia subiar.
Sabia, sabia. Nem eu sei falar essa porra, mano. Even me, that I'm Brazilian, I can speak that.
Sabia, sabia.
Sabia que sabia,
Sabia, subiar.
sabia subiar.
Sabia que eu sabia assoviar.
Oh.
Sabia, suia.
I'll do it wrong. Yeah. Sabia que sabiar, sabia sabiar.
Sabia que sabia sabiar.
Yeah, I don't know. I think the first part is right. Yeah, the second I just make a little up.
Oh, right. This is long. Sabia que sabia sabiar.
Sabia que sabia sabiar.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see.
Sabia que sabia sabiar.
Sabia que sabia sabiar.
I hear similar.
Sabia, sabia assoviar.
Sabia que sabia sabiar.
Sabia que sabia sabiar?
Boa! Wow!
Ela adivinhou, porque já com a informação toda errada, mano. Ai.
That's crazy. Did you know it? It's kind of a famous sentence, like a tongue twister.
Yeah.
É, tongue twister. Trava-língua é tongue twister.
Yeah. Can you say it again?
Sabia que sabia assoviar.
For me, the first two sentences I could remember easily because it sounds similar to Catalan actually. Right?
It's like, did you know that the sabia, a type of bird, I don't know in English, know how to whistle? Yeah.
Exceção.
Exceção.
Ishesa.
It looks like you're speaking Korean. Exceção.
It's
Ishesa.
a reading issue.
I'm trying to make
Okay.
it Portuguese. Ishesa. Ishesa.
Ishe sound.
Yeah, I'm trying to make it Portuguese.
Kind of sounds like French now.
Ishe sound.
Okay.
Ishe sound. Yeah, there might be a T at the end. There might be.
I will put one because she said Portuguese finished by T. So.
Yeah, right.
It's just sound.
Isha sound. Isha sound.
Wait, what?
Isha sound.
Like repeat it, Julia.
Incha sound?
What? It just sounds. It just sounds.
Started from you.
Wait.
Incha Sanch?
Wrong. Exceção.
Huh?
Huh? What do you mean? Huh?
Injeção?
What do you mean, huh? What do you mean, huh?
You see, it's the problem.
We say in Portugal, exceção.
Like exception?
Yeah.
Exceção.
Exceção.
Exception?
Oh.
Exceção.
I would say it, I would have understood the meaning.
Thank you. See?
Exceção. Exceção. Caralho.
I'm not the problem, okay?
I mean,
How do you say it in Italian?
eccezione.
We say exception.
I think I could understand Julia.
Thank you. I got this time.
It all sounds the same to me.
It kind of turned into French, like exceção.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Ooh. Famous tongue twister in Portugal. O rato
Another tongue twister. Ok.
roeu a roupa
Roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
do rei de Roma. O rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
É, até falou maneiro, só que ele puxou um pouquinho no R, mas porra, falou bem. He speak it well in this one.
I maybe kind of get the Russian thing now.
O rato roeu
O rato riu.
a roupa do rei
Roupa do rei
de Roma.
de Roma. I will not make this.
O rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
No. No, sorry. I'm literally gonna make up. I don't know. O rato roe roupa rapo. I really, it was very long.
O rato
Roupa.
roi, roupa.
There's two more words with the, but I couldn't.
O rato roi, roupa.
Rei, do king. The rei de Roma. The king of the Roma.
Yeah.
O
you
rato
just
roi,
like-
roupa.
Maybe it's a sentence. And
O rato roita, rota, something.
something?
O rato roi, rota. And then there's two more words with just do I guess.
She might get it. It's a famous tongue twister.
So it's a long sentence. We don't have the end. O rato roi, rota, and two words with
Okay, wait.
yeah, two words.
Okay. Oh, hata hoi hota?
And
Yeah. Oh, no.
two words.
Okay. Okay, sadly, on this journey, we've lost two words. We lost
I gotta do magic.
I forgot. Oh, hata hoi.
Okay, I know.
Yeah.
O rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
Não precisa nem saber onde falar. Caraca, adivinhou, porra. Não foi que a informação foi passada, ela adivinhou. She did guess.
How do you get this one and not the last one?
That's because the last one was like a word and it was the pronunciation difference, but this one is a saying. It's
Yeah, it's a tongue twister.
kind of like a little song. He probably would say, O rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
No.
No?
No.
Really?
Yeah, I said the same. I said like now I get the Russian.
Well, how do you say that?
O rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma.
Oh, not that different actually. We say o rato roeu a roupa do rei de Roma, but he says more, right?
What does it mean?
Like beat the clothes of the Roman king.
King? Where was the word king?
Rei.
Okay, now yeah, it's very similar to Spanish actually.
Yeah, right.
This time I was not expecting actually, because I really thought your R was gonna be more rrr rather than.
Maybe I'm too Brazilian now. Too much exposure.
I think I never had it like side by side actually. Like
Same. It's the first time, yeah.
Yeah, even though I heard it, not in the same time.
That was so difficult for me. I don't know like anything about Portuguese.
You did well though. You did a good job.
You were the last step, so yeah, definitely.
You're good.
I think even though we're closer to Portugal, the Brazilian was easier.
I think it was because of that I mentioned. Like we speak in more like open vowels. Like it's not so closed up in the mouth. So I think that makes it a little bit easier to understand. Maybe we're more
I
global.
don't know if it's easy to understand.
Globalized. So today we tried to play the phone game with Portuguese and Romance languages and English.
If you like the video, like, subscribe, and comment down below.
We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Maneiro, cara. Maneiro, interessante. Deixar o like pra galerinha. E vamos finalizar por aqui. Só lembrando que eu não tenho opinião, eu tenho opinião. Falou, valeu.